Welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we will be solving count all digits of a number. So the problem statement states that you are given an integer n. You need to return the number of digits in the number. The number will have no leading zeros except when the number is 0 itself. So the algorithm that I'm thinking right now is, assume I have a number 14. We just have to say that there are two digits, so we'll divide the number by 10 every time until we reach a single element, and we'll keep a track of a counter. So I'll have a variable called count initialized to 0, and then we'll write the base condition. If our input is 0, then they're asking, if the number is 0, we'll just return 1. Else, in the else condition, while the number is not equal to 0 or greater than 0, what we'll do is we'll divide the number by 10 so that we'll get the last digit, and we'll whenever we cut out the last digit, we'll increment the counter. That way the count variable will keep track of all the last digits removed, and then we'll return back the count. Return typo error, return the count. So this is the logic. Let's check. Let me run it. So all the test cases have passed. Let me submit the code. Yeah, all the test cases have passed. Thank you, friends.